This is for a 2022 Nissan Frontier shifter console location and removal and the wireless charging port. First thing you do, grab this shift boot, grab it all, pull it down, comes right, grab this little clip right there, comes right off, and then the shift knob comes straight off. Use a pry tool, stick it in there, pry it up. There's only clips holding it in place. But be careful, because there's a plug right here. If you yank up too hard, you want to remove that. That goes to the lights when your lights are on for the park, reverse, neutral, drive, LED. Just unplug that. And it comes straight out. And there is the LED. It turns out, boom, you can see it. Set that aside. Pop the console lid. Don't need the pry tool for this part. Just work it out. Right here, there's got to be a plug for that wireless charging port. Mine don't have it because it's the base model. But that's how you take it apart, reassemble. Put this in first, kind of push to get past the edge. And clips might try to come off, so just make sure they're still in the plastic part and just work it in. Work the other side in, kind of lift up in the middle, gives you kind of a bow. Oh. If you can get it in. And that's how you put that back in. All fits flush and all. Reassembly is the exact opposite. Just put the front end in. Slide it over this shift knob. Make sure that boot don't catch on the boot or you're going to rip it. Plug this thing back in. If you have it oriented right, it'll go in easily. Pops back in place, only clips. Shift knob. That horseshoe clip. Just pops right on, and the boot slides right up. You hear a click? That's it.